The Key.
Hello everyone, welcome to The Key. Today we are going to talk about numbers. We're going to explain different types of numbers that are used in C++. We're going to talk about doubles, integers, and floats. We're going to talk about how are these numbers being differentiated, which type of numbers to be used in different situations, how are they being applied, the range of these numbers. We're going to go detail into numbers because we know we have some beginners who need to understand better about numbers. So we're going to cover all those subtopics as we are going to write the code. Let's jump into it.
So let's write a simple program. This is 8 multiplied by 2 and c. So we're going to start with the integers. And see the goods and the bad in integers. So the answer is 16. It's correct. You can multiply. You can also add or divide. Integer is divide. Get an answer for. Let's add. See it answer 10. Let's find the module of 11. Module 2. The answer is supposed to be 1. Let's see this. Answer is 1. Let's divide. I want you to see something. You can see the answer is 5. But everyone knows that 11 divided by 2 is not 5. The answer is 5,5. But that is the bad part of integers. Integers do not give decimals. So an answer without a decimal, the whole number is so we need to use doubles. These doubles, they do recognize decimals as compared to integers. So let's change our program and run it again. See, let's write CMath. Why? What CMath it allows us to do math tricks and write some math formulas without giving errors. So let's see. Yeah, it's CMath. So when you are always dealing with formulas, don't forget to write CMath. The num is equals to 11. Let's change here. Put num. So our number is equals to 11 divided by 2, 0. Let's run the program. As you can see, our answer is 5,5. Now this is the correct answer. So as you can see, it is not always the case to use integers. Sometimes when you're dealing with numbers with the decimal, you need to use doubles and floats. Let's change this 3. See, your answer is 3,333. It is correct. If you are about to use an integer, once I was going to be 3, of which it was wrong. So don't forget to use doubles whenever you have smalls. So now let's put power. Then 2, 5. So let's say 2 to the power 5. So POW means power. So it's 2 to the power 5. The answer is supposed to be 32. Let's see. As you can see, it's 32. So now we need to try a number with a decimal. So don't forget, whenever you're writing power, you need to write CMath. Isn't it? Don't forget that part. So let's try a decimal number. Let's say 1 comma what? Let's say 1 comma 2 to the power 5. Let's run programs. Then it's 2.76. So whenever you're using decimals or method decimals, we do not have problems when using doubles. So let's try something else. Let's remove this and put num. Let's write a num, then num plus plus. What is the function of plus plus? Plus plus simply means you are incrementing our number, which is 10 by 1. Let's see. You can see the answer is 11. If you are right, num negative negative, it simply means you are reducing your number by 1, to increment the number by 1. This is usually used in for statements. So num plus equals num, you should get 20. Why? Because num plus equals num, it is the same as num is equals to num plus num. Why are we getting 20? Because we're changing the value of num to num plus num. Num is 10, so we are saying num is equal to 10 plus 10. So the answer here is 10. If you are about to write num is equal to num plus 2, that's going to give us 22. So let's see. I want to try something. Let's say a square root. Let's find the square root of num. So I'm going to write square root. So then bracket. Let's run this. It's supposed to be 2. As you can see, the square root of 4 it's 2. Then what else? Let's change this. So let's find the maximum number between 8 and it's small. Let's say 7.5. Yes, we are using double, which deals with decimal, but it doesn't mean it rounds up to the numbers and says the same. You have a max and the minimum. So the max is 8 and the min it's 7.5. It's not going to round off to nearest and say 8 and 8 is the same. No. So the maximum is 8. If you're about to find the minimum, you just try to find a min. If you run our program, you'll see the minimum is 7.5. Between 8 and 8.75, the min is 7.5. Even if you write 7.999, the answer is 7.99. Thank you for watching.
The key.